Page 111, Country Gardens. This uses the dotted rhythm that we just talked about on the previous video. Let's look at the right hand. Common time is 4/4 time. But with the dotted rhythm, or 16th notes, it's still a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. We just got to go to 4. What you count is not important. It's the fact that you can split a quarter note up into 4 parts. That's what's important. So at the beginning, we have a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a, like so. You work it out really slow, and you gradually speed it up as you feel it. And eventually you can get it. And then the left hand, you can keep the beat in the left hand. It's got quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. Put them together. Mixing dotted rhythms in here, because now you also have dotted quarter notes and eighth notes. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and so. It's a good piece for dotted rhythms. I don't feel I really need to point everything out in here. Your hands will move around a little bit. The notes are pretty straightforward. It's the rhythm we're after. But you're going to repeat the first line, so we're going to play it twice, and then we're going to play the second line twice, and then we finish it off. They have sections. You see the section? The first line is a section A. Second line, it's a different musical idea. It's section B. Third line is a different still, and it's section C. And then the last line, they go back to section A, which is really common in music. You usually end up with the same idea that you started with. That kind of rounds it all out and closes it up. So most of the time, they will end with the same idea they started with. Keep that in mind if you want to write your own music. Now they're giving a tempo at the beginning of this as moderato. Typically, Country Gardens is more like an allegretto. This is a fun dance. It's a folk dance. It's just, how do you feel? Just have fun with it. It's a little fast for moderato. Maybe it is. I don't know, because it's a range. It's blurry. I'm going to give us 4 counts. Let's do this slowly together. Right hand here, left hand here. 1, 2, ready, go.